This is going to be a video of the CNC stair machine cutting a full stringer with both landing cuts. It's going to be it's going to be a box stair. So we're in the home screen. To start up, we're going to go into maintenance, go into production, send it to standby. At this point, if you were starting up for the morning, you do spindle warm-up. I've already done that, so we don't need to do that. Put it back into production mode. Over here is machine setup. You normally don't ever have to change this in the morning. Just make sure that your cutter diameter matches what your cutter is. Your RPM is what you want it. And over here is the new amp monitoring. It's turned on. Currently I have this machine set to where if the amps go above 12, the software kicks in and it'll moderate the feed rate to keep the motor spindles amps at or below 12. So now I'm going to go into stair profiles. Like I said, we're going to do a box stair. We're going to do a box stair with a regular geometry, not kickback, not with notch cut, so just the standard box stair. The wood I'm doing is 9 1/4. Doing 1/2 inch deep. It's a little bit deep. I haven't actually measured the stringers, but I'm pretty sure they're 1 1/2. So 1 1/2 plus 1 1/2 is 3. I'm gonna do 4 repeats, and I'm gonna do my landing cuts, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a rounded nose just because. Why not? Make sure you do the save. This is the new unit where it has the yellow light. If I can show what that does. If you see, if I jump to a different type of stair, the LED turns off and then turns back on. When the light is on, that means it's ready to run. When it's off, that means it's loading the correct parameters. So with this new system, it's real nice because you know when it's okay to start the program. If you were to start it before the LED came on, it could corrupt the program because it would be loading a new set of parameters on top of the old set of parameters. Depending on when you hit start, it could force it to run and kind of have a mixed bag or a mixed bucket of data. So that's why we put in the new LED to alert the operator that it's okay to start. Okay, so box stair, hitting start, and we should be good to go. Now, I don't actually have the wood loaded yet, so I'm going to try to do this in one take. So depending on the width of the stringer will depend on where the landing cut will end up. So for instance, this is 9 1/4. If this was 11 1/2 or something, the end of the cut would be more this direction. So it's kind of dynamic depending on the type of geometry you're doing too. But that comes with a little bit of experience running the machine. That'll become second nature. Okay, here we go. Okay.